we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
God, I just thank you for everything you've done for this relationship. Thank you for setting us up today. Thank you for getting us through dating. Thank you for giving us the heart to pursue each other. And I hope that we can do everything we can our entire lifetime to serve you. Amen.
Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through, no limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight.
Family and friends, we're gathered here tonight for a beautiful and amazing occasion. We're here to celebrate and witness the marriage of Daniel and Lexi.
Things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
By the power given to me by the state of Florida and the Almighty God, I now pronounce you husband and wife. What God has joined together, let no man separate. Daniel, you may kiss your bride. For the very first time, I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Daniel Frederick Yeager.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no
Lexi lights up a room. She is one of the most selfless humans I have ever met. Her and Daniel complete each other in every way possible. Where Lexi falters, Daniel picks her up, and vice versa.
Over the past 3 or 4 years since meeting Lexi, you truly have grown into a different person. She was such a blessing not just for you, but for everyone your ever-growing faith has affected. I could not be more proud to call you my brother, Daniel, and welcome to the family, Lexi.